house para sa iyong asawa.
Pag nakuha niya.
Maris. Chubbs, sa araw na to, gusto mong malaman mo kung gaano ka kaswerte. Ikaw ang pinili ko. At mas lalo na pinili mo rin ako. Hindi man tayo perfecto, pero sa bawat kulang at pagkakamali, lagi nating pinipili ang isa't isa at yun yung pinakamahalaga. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo, sa pag-intindi mo kahit mahirap, at sa pagtayo sa tabi ko sa lahat ng laban sa buhay. Kahit madalas sobrang tamad mo, na kailangan pa kitang unahin bago kumilos, galit pa yan. Kidding aside, ikaw ang pahinga ko at ang tahanan ko. I promise to love you more every day, be your partner in everything. At sabay nating harapin ang lahat, masaya man o mahirap. Hindi lang ikaw ang asawa ko, ikaw ang kakampi ko at ang habang buhay kong pipiliin. I love you so much.
Sinabi naman. Wow. Wala na siguro.
Inedit.
Bago ko basahin yung vows ko sa'yo, I want you to imagine that it's just the two of us right now. And I want you to cherish this moment and feel all the love in every word as I read this to you. Travis, thank you for these 7 beautiful years that we've shared. Today will mark the first day that you are no longer my boyfriend, my domestic partner, or the father of our child, but my husband for the rest of my life. Hindi naging madali yung 7 years na yun, pero nandito tayo ngayon, taking an oath of a lifetime commitment. I know I have not been the most loving, sweet, and affectionate partner to you. There were days that I know you felt like I'm the hardest person to love, and I can't blame you. I struggle to love myself sometimes too, pero despite all of that, you stayed. I vow to be more understanding, more loving, and more considerate wife to you. I want to thank you because through you, I got to meet your beautiful and most loving family. There were times na feeling ko I was more part of the family than you. Kidding aside, being part of your family is really one of the greatest gifts I could ever ask for. I want you to know that I appreciate you kahit minsan hindi ko na ipapakita or nasasabi sa'yo. I vow to keep this family just like how much you fight for our family. If there's one thing I could ask for right now, I hope Papa gets to see this and hear from you na tinupad mo yung pangako mo sa kanya before siya mawala. Wala man siya dito physically, pero sana nakikita niya araw-araw mong tinutupad yung pangako mong aalagaan mo kami ni Esme. I vow to honor that promise you made to him and to carry it forward every day, taking care of her family with the love, respect, and devotion he would have wanted for us. With you, lahat ng emotion siguro naramdaman ko na. And I don't see anyone else who could make me feel this way. other than you. Thank you, because now I am whole. Kompleto na ang pangalan ko. I am now officially Isa Marie Pasan Arboleta.